Where's my wig? My wig, I still got it, but it's hanging up on my little hanger rod in my closet. That's where it's at. But I got my cap on though. Period. What's up? This your girl K Marie, and I'm back with another motherfucking video. Today, as y'all see at the title below, this video is going to be a Q&A video. I'm going to be adding some questions that my fans had already answered for me. So, we are on the road to 100K. Hey, we are on the road. Hey, hey, we are on the road. Hey, hey, we are on the road to 100K. Hey, we are on the road to 100K. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Oh, and I got my little mukbang. Got my little. It's gonna be a mukbang / Q&A, you know what I'm saying? This is my little mukbang with my American Deli. I haven't had American Deli in a while. So yes. Ooh, go ahead. Before we get started with this video, actually we already started the video. But before we get into the Q&A questions, we going to I'm going to talk to you guys for a little minute before I get into the Q&A questions. Show y'all my good little American Deli food. Y'all know what I'm saying. It's the American Deli for me. It's the American Deli for me. Show y'all my little fries. I know this got to be fries. Yep. It's my little fries right here, y'all. My little fries. My little fries. Oh, something fell on the table. I would eat it, but you know what they say, something falls, supposed to say God don't get not God forgive, it's supposed to say God don't give me germs. It been on the table, honey. I'm just gonna put that on top of the bag. Oh, here's my drink right here, y'all. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful night, a wonderful weekend. Because I know I am. I'll probably be going to the studio to record my Supernatural song. If I don't go tomorrow, then again, I might do go tomorrow. It depends on how I'm feeling. If I'm feeling too tired, then I ain't going nowhere. Oh, y'all want to see the wing? Oh, look at the wing. Nah. This is called right here. This is called a salad wrap. This is the salad wrap. Let me tell y'all. I love American Deli because they make the best salad wraps ever. They make the best. How many minutes is that? I don't know how long this video gonna be, y'all. But American Deli, they make the best wings, the best fries, and the oh, no, I don't even eat no onions. Let me take that off. No, I'm not about to eat that. I do not eat onions, y'all. Y'all probably saying, oh my God, I ain't know K Marie don't eat onions. No, I don't. It just, I always been like that ever since I was a kid. Like, now tell me why every time I get this, I haven't had a wrap salad sandwich in a while, y'all, from American Deli. I can't even remember the last time I had this. I can't remember the last time I had the salad wrap. And I guess I have to eat it like this because if I try to take the paper off, it's going to fall. To me, it look like a taco sandwich. But it's a salad wrap sandwich from American Deli. I don't get American Deli like that. I only get American Deli every blue moon. But, And then I got my water. Got my water right here. It's the water for me. Ooh. Ooh, man. Ooh. I gotta see what my thumbnail gonna be. I need to make me a real cute thumbnail. But I gotta figure out what it's gonna be first. Oh. Oh. It's good, y'all. Oh, I still got some meat right here. Let me get that. Ooh. Ooh, shit. I know there ain't a fly on my arm. Oh, I was about to say. Thought I had seen the damn fly. Oh, I jumped like that, y'all. Oh. I don't know how long this video gonna be, to be honest. But I think I'm gonna watch me some Netflix tonight before I close my eyes. You know what I'm saying?
Too bad I got no seasoning. Well, I do probably got some, but I probably have to go to the store. I have to go grocery shopping anyway. I gotta go grocery shopping anyway. I'm gonna have to eat it like this, y'all, because if I try to put it the other way, it's gonna fall.
That's how it look. This is the salad wrap. Ooh, shit. This is the salad wrap. I'm gonna be so full when I get done eating. So full. Pull up in a and I know I got that Pull up in a I know I got that ooh. Cause salad. Lettuce had filled on my pan. Pull up in a ooh, don't fall on me. Wait a minute. I might have to get me a fork. Right. Fork. I'm just say fork. Y'all probably like, Kimmery, what are you saying? I'm just gonna say silverware. Probably have to get me a silverware because it look like my sandwich coming apart. We are on the road to 100K. Hey. Let me tell you, I live in Atlanta, and it started to get dark at sometimes 6 o'clock or 6:30. Matter of fact, it started to get dark at 7 o'clock. Because I think the time be changing down here. I think the time be changing, y'all. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Y'all, if y'all never had American Deli before, Y'all need to go get some. Because American Deli have the best wings and the best salad rolls. I mean, they have the best, American Deli have the best wings and the best salad roll, wraps. I said rolls, I meant to say wraps. You gotta get a little bite, Ooh. It's the food for me. It's the food for me. Ooh. 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 You gotta scratch out, y'all. Ooh. I gotta scratch out. Ooh. I gotta scratch out, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. I just had to scratch out for a little minute. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all know how I do. Now, y'all ready for this Q&A video? Y'all ready to see these questions that people ask me? Is y'all ready? Is y'all ready? Is y'all ready? Is y'all ready? I'm gonna come right back because I'm finna add the Q&A questions. So I will be right back. I'll be right back. Okay? Let's go. Let's get into the Q&A questions. Where's my wig? My wig, I still got it, but it's hanging up on my little hanger rod in my closet. That's where it's at. But I got my cap on though. Period. Okay, my age, I am 30 years old. I will be 31 this year, well, in a couple more months, which is going to be September 11th. It's my birthday, so I'll be 31. I'm 30 right now, so yeah. Well, you can follow me on all social medias: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, but mostly Instagram because I be on there every day. But you can DM me on Instagram and hit me up or whatever like that. But yeah, what kind of guys I am attracted to? Well, I like whites, blacks, Jamaicans, Puerto Ricans, Dominicans. Yeah, and I like for a guy to be tall because, you know, I'm a short person. I'm like 5'2". So I rather, if I find a guy interested, he have to be handsome, cute, sexy, tall, at least 6'2", between 6'1" and 6'4". Like, I like a guy when he's real tall, so that way he can pick me up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Are you ever going to use Peeps? No, I haven't been on Peeps in 4 years, so no, I'm not. Hope y'all enjoyed the Q&A question. It wasn't really that many, but it was something. Ooh. Wait a minute. Ooh, y'all gotta see this. Look at this. Somebody look at this. Somebody look at this. Somebody look at this. Ooh, that hot. That chicken is a little too hot. I hope I'm gonna be going to the bathroom after this. Oh shit! I thought I see some jumped on me. I thought it was a damn fly. I'm gonna make sure I say my prayers tonight, cause I get very not dramatic. It's another word for that. Paranoid. I thought something had jumped on me. I hope y'all been wonderful in the world. Hope y'all been safe in the world. Because lately, y'all know this world been going crazy lately. A lot of crazy stuff has been happening in this world. Pull up in a... Ooh. So I always thank God every day. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Because you never know. You never know. Tomorrow ain't promised to none of us. So that's why when you wake up every day, God is the reason why you waking up. God is the reason why everybody waking up every day. And so that's why we have to pray and tell God thank you. Because God is the reason for everything. He's the reason why we living. He's the reason why we breathing air. He's the reason for everything. He's the reason why we get a chance to see everybody. Like, God is the reason for everything. So, ooh, child, I'm getting a little full. 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 Pull up in a pull up in a what? I know we got the ooh. So I might go to the studio tomorrow. I don't know. It depends on how I'm feeling, because I might not go nowhere tomorrow, because I do need to relax and I do need me some extra rest, because I work my behind off every day, uploading videos, doing TikTok videos, doing YouTube videos. And sometimes when you're doing videos every day, you have to like kind of like take a break, you know what I'm saying? But, ooh, excuse me, y'all. That was a big old burp. Ooh. That was a real big old burp. I didn't think I was going to burp that loud. This shit show grind. Y'all know a movie I haven't watched in a long time? I haven't watched Sister Act 2. I haven't watched Sister Act 1 and Sister Act 2. And Lean on Me, I haven't seen either one of those movies in a long time. But I think I might watch Sister Act 2 tonight. I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna eat a little bit more of this bite right here. And then after that, I'm finna call it quits. I'm getting a little too full. I can feel my stomach getting full. No, Oh. I might do a seafood video with somebody. I don't know yet. But y'all just stay tuned. Pull up in a I know what got that ooh. Ooh. I can't wait. I'm gonna have to start back making my fruit drinks, so I can start back. Yeah, I need to start back making some fruit drinks, so I can start making some fruit videos, fruit drink videos for you guys, so y'all can see how I make my fruit drinks. So y'all stay tuned for the food videos. Y'all stay tuned for the cooking videos. Y'all stay tuned for everything, because I'm going to be posting a lot of videos on this channel. Also, I'm going to be doing some reaction videos this week. Y'all can send me some videos for me to react to, and I'll react to them. But y'all send me some real good videos for me to react to. Ooh, gotta eat me another couple more fries, y'all. Oh, wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute, hold on. Oh, I'm finna be doing number. I'm finna be doing number. I'm just playing. I ain't gonna be doing all that. I already did it earlier anyway. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing. Ooh. Over with. Ooh. Okay, guys, if y'all like this video, love this video, hit that subscriber button and turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. Comment down below y'all thoughts and opinions. Say what? Say what? Ho. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. And I'm out, y'all. We are on the road to 100K. Hey, we are on the road. Hey. We are on the road. Hey. We are on the road to 100K. Hey, we are on the road to 100K. Hey. We getting close to 20K. Hey. I love you guys. Bye.